Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel from scratch in 2026. Step by step, even if you never uploaded a video before. This beginner's guide is perfect if you want to start YouTube but feel overwhelmed, you don't know what settings to choose, you're worried about doing something wrong, or you just want to start the right way. By the end of this video, you will have fully set up YouTube channel, ready to upload your first video with confidence. So let's get started. So before clicking anything, let's clarify something important. A YouTube channel is your public creator identity, your brand, even if it's personal, the home for all your videos, playlists, and community posts. You don't need expensive equipment, editing skills, a large audience. You only need a Google account, a clear starting point. Everything else comes later. Okay? Now, YouTube is owned by Google, so you need a Google account. You have two options. Use an existing Google account or create a new one specifically for YouTube. For beginners, I recommend create a new Google account for YouTube. This keeps personal email separate, channel branding clean, future monetization simpler. So go ahead to the sign in page and hit create account and select for my personal use, and you're gonna start filling the details like your name, last name, etc, etc, etc. Once logged in, go to the youtube.com. You're gonna see, of course, your account logo here at the top. Now, creating your YouTube channel. In the top right corner, if you are new, right, click your profile icon, right, and let me change the language to an English. Yeah, here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit my account, and you can see the account here, right, and everything. If you don't have a channel, you're gonna start creating a new channel, right? So you can see right here in your Google account, for example, right? This is your Google account. Let me go ahead and to the settings here, right? You can see right here your channel, right? And you can from here control or add or manage your channel or channels. You can see right here all channels that I control. You can go ahead and create a channel from here because I have so many channels here. So I'm not as new. I'm ancient as anyone. So create a channel and select a picture in handle. Okay. You can use your real name or create a brand name. Don't overthink this. The names can be changed later, right? And then create a channel. Congratulations, your channel now exists. Your channel name should be easy to remember, easy to pronounce, relevant to your content. Examples: your name tutorials, learn with, add your name, for example. Avoid long complicated names, numbers and symbols, trend-based names. Simple names age better. Okay, now uploading a profile picture or and banner. Now let's make the channel look real. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to your YouTube studio. So click your avatar icon at the top, YouTube studio here, right? Inside you're gonna see your basically your subscriptions, you control your videos and everything, right? Let me go ahead to the YouTube studio. Not here. Let me go ahead to my channel. I can control it from there, right? And what you're gonna do, just go and hit edit. This will take you to the YouTube studio, but essentially you can do it from your channel here, right? You can also add a profile picture if you went to your channel. It will take you to the same thing, right? So You can see right here the profile image or the banner image in the profile picture, name, handle, and description, right? You can also add a channel URL, which you can't change, fortunately, and links to your social media. Also your email, so if you want to be reached out by advertisers, and etc. Okay, you can use Canva for your banner. Add your channel name, optional, what your channel is about. This builds instant trust. Okay, your channel description helps viewers understand your content. YouTube understands your niche. Write simple description like what you teach or share, who the channel is for, what value viewers get. Right? Example, this channel shares beginner-friendly tutorials on online tools, business, and technology in 2026. Clarity beats creativity here. Right? Inside YouTube Studio, you can go ahead to the settings and hit channel. Add basic keywords here related to your topic. This helps YouTube categorize your channel. You don't need advanced SEO yet, just relevance. So type here entertainment, for example, right? Shows, TV, Apple, Netflix, right? Media, right? And hit save here. Right? Now, understand YouTube Studio, your control center. YouTube Studio is where you upload videos, track views, can control everything from the left-hand menu here. Read comments, change settings. Spend a few minutes clicking around so it doesn't feel intimidating. Every creator uses this, beginners and pros alike, right? Now, on to uploading your first video. Now let's upload your first video. Click create at the top right here. And you're gonna see multiple options here. Hit upload videos, right? Or upload video, excuse me. During upload, add a clear title, write a simple description, choose a thumbnail, or upload one. Select no, it's not made for kids, because they're gonna ask you that, unless it is. So let me add an example video here. Let's say this video, right? Right? Add a clear title, description, right? And no, it's not made for kids. This is very important. You can also show more here to add keywords if you'd like. Okay. Hit next. You can add subtitles or related videos if the short is related to a long form video. In the copyright here, which is, you know, they do it automatically. In the visibility, if you want to keep it private so people can watch it later or schedule it later if you are taking off, maybe getting somewhere else, and it, you know, and then hit publish or save. Okay, don't aim for perfection, aim for published. Writing a good first video title. Your title should clearly explain what the video is about, match what the viewer wants to learn. Good beginner titles, how to for beginners, step-by-step guide to, etc. Avoid clickbait, vague titles, or overpromising. Honesty builds long-term growth. In the description, right? Let me go ahead to the details here. In the description, briefly explain the video. Add helpful context. Don't keyword stuff. Tags matter matter less in 2026, but still add relevant keywords. Use natural phrases. This helps discovery early on. Okay, thumbnails, right? Simple beginner strategy. You don't need complex thumbnails. Beginner rules: add big readable text, one clear idea, tight contrast. Tools like Canva, right? You can just type thumbnail or thumb template, Canva, and you can choose whatever template they provide and use it for your content. So here, YouTube thumbnail, Canva. Inside, you're gonna see multiple templates that you can use for your own niche or content, right? Your thumbnail should answer, why should I click this? Okay, so yeah, and now publishing and visibility settings. As we mentioned before, you can control the privacy, or you can schedule it for later, right? And the visibility here. Okay, for growth, keep publishing. Okay, or make it public. Your first video is officially now live. What to do after publishing your first video? Watch your video once, share it if you want, don't obsess over views. The first video are about learning, getting comfortable, building consistency. Every big channel started with 0 views. Okay, avoid waiting for the perfect equipment, comparing yourself to big creators, uploading once and quitting, deleting videos too fast, or changing niche constantly. Progress comes from consistency, not talent. Okay, how often should beginners upload? 1 video per week is perfect. Even 1 video every 2 weeks is fine. Okay, consistency beats frequency. Pick a schedule you can maintain, right? And do not worry about monetization at the start. Focus first on helping viewers, learning YouTube basics, improving video quality. Monetization comes naturally when value is consistent, right? So creating a YouTube channel from scratch is 2026 is easier than ever, but success still comes from showing up consistently. You don't need to be confident, perfect, or experienced. You just need to start. Your first video won't be your best, and that's exactly how it should be. So if the beginner's guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below what kind of video you want me to cover next. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time.